Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about my tire washer. One of the reasons I like a tire washer is I don't like submerging my tires in water because lots of tires have the air hole in them and water will get in there, and then you get foams that are full of water. You can spin the wheels to get the water out, but the water also deteriorates your foam. So I like to use a tire washer. Also, this one is small enough that I can take it with me to the track. You could make a bigger one. This seems to work fine for me. This is a container I bought from Walmart. It has the rubber seal on it, so it will not leak. You don't have to worry about spilling any water. I got a little brush in there that I bought at Walmart as well. Just when you make this, where's the camera? There. When you make this, make sure that you sand down the end of the brush. Sand it down real good so that the glue has something to stick to. And what I use, people use shoe glue. I use the stuff from Walmart, the E6000. Glue it on there, give it a couple of days to dry just to be on the safe side, and you're good to go. So all you'd have to do, let's see, water, here we go. Fill the water up just below the end of the brush. So it doesn't go all the way to the top, so you're not submerging the tires in water. That's what you're trying to avoid in the first place. And then what I like to use is the Simple Green, which I need to buy more of. Then you've got some nice soapy water to clean a tire with, and let's say you wanted to clean a tire. All you have to do is take your tire, spin it around on there, get the sides if you want to, maybe let it stand up there for a little while so some of the excess soap and water runs off. Get a towel. There you go. Clean tire. You can clean a whole bunch of sets of tires really fast and really quickly, and you don't have to worry about getting water in your foam of your tires. So, hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Oh, let me show you. No leaking. No water whatsoever. So, if you like the video, please like, please subscribe. Hit the little bell if you want notifications. And remember, a bad day at the track is still better than any day at work.